Hello fellow gardeners, this is Melissa with My Garden Retreat.
Okay, so this video is going to be about growing onions from sets. And sets are these onions that are kind of pre-started and they're in little miniature dried up bulbs. And you just put those in the dirt and then they'll grow, hopefully they'll grow into bigger onions. I've never done sets before. I've started them from seed in the past, but started them way too late last year, so nothing ever really came of it. I'm hoping I can skip a lot of time by using sets this year. So this stuff is some garden soil with sand mixed in because they kind of like a sandy type of soil to grow in. So I'm going to be spacing these about 4 inches apart, as they always say. And they're going to be the white onions. We live in kind of a medium day length type of area, and these do pretty well here. So I'm going to attempt onions this year, and we'll see how it goes.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Click the little bell so you'll be notified when we post a new video. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!